What's up, lawn dogs? Unfortunately, this video is not for my lawn dogs in my Facebook group, Lawn Dogs Unlimited. This video is actually for all the DIYs, homeowners, do-it-yourselfers that subscribe to my channel. Just to give them a heads up, sometimes they pay for a service, sometimes they do it themselves. But if your lawn isn't thick, green, nicely edged all the way through, see there, if your plants aren't blooming, especially exploding with color like this, and here, or your lines, see the difference between who he pays and who she pays. He pays a service to fertilize. I include fertilizer in my service. He pays someone to mow the lawn and to edge. And just look at the difference in the edge and in the quality of the lawn. I mean, this guy pays to get fertilized. I include it in my service. Pays free. Pays free. So to all the homeowners that follow me, that subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for the 2 million views so far on my channel. If your lines are not looking like this, then you need a new lawn guy, because this is my standard. Perfection is my standard. And if you guys don't have perfection, then you're overpaying. Have a good one.